Really annoying when your broom handle keeps coming off. Here's a simple trick using a plastic bottle cap to make your broom stick firmly again, without any hassle. This bottle cap and spring can prevent the window from hitting the wall when opened hard. Simple but effective. Having trouble installing bolts in tight spaces? Try this trick. Guaranteed the bolts won't fall off the screwdriver. Using just a pipe and a chain, you can make a super simple and safe emergency door lock.
OMG! I just found out there's a way to tie something this cool. I never thought it would be this easy to make such a strong knot. You guys have to try it. OMG! All this time I thought installing bicycle hand grips was difficult and dirty. Turns out just using a cable tie is enough? If you know this knot, you won't use any other method. For anglers, this knot trick is a must-try. It's guaranteed to make you a better fisherman. Awesome! How to paint car rim bolts without removing them? Just use a used bottle. A creative idea for those who don't want the hassle of painting car wheel bolts. Definitely worth a try. Here's a simple trick or way to adjust your motorcycle shocks. It's easy, right? How to repair a broken plastic vehicle body at the screw hole. 1. Join the broken parts with solder. 2. Cut the T-strainer wire into a sufficient size. Heat it first, then place it on the broken part. 3. Tidy up with a heated cutter. 4. Drill the bolt hole that is still blocked by the wire. And finished. Easy way to make a flexible water tap connection. Practical way to connect a hose to a water tap so that it doesn't come off easily. Have you ever tried modifying nail clippers? The results will make you shake your head. DIY outdoor plug protector. Cheap, easy, and effective. Bye-bye short circuits. Here's an easy trick to install a rubber seal.